Hello, if you have code P0128 for Chrysler or Dodge or whatever 5.7 liter engine, the problem here is the thermostat. I just replaced it with two pieces. You're gonna come right here and it's only two 13mm bolts. You remove that, take the old thermostat out. Even it doesn't have to be two pieces, but if you replace the thermostat and clear the coat, and it should be at. This is the part number from AutoZone. It's only like 13 bucks right here. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.